for any of you guys who have questions, from now on, and I'm trying to get to everyone's questions. It's just that they're coming from everywhere. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere, like emails. So I'm going to direct all the questions to one spot, and that spot will be below the video. I will say, if you have questions, write them here, and it's going to be in my Facebook page, but it's going to be a different page. One you may already have. So I want everyone to direct their questions there. Okay, no, I'm coming. I want everyone to direct their questions there, and yeah, I will get to them. I will try to get to all of them. All right, guys. So just take your time and just be patient with me, because I have so many questions coming in. And if you want me to answer your questions, right, you guys gotta understand, I'm doing all this stuff for free for the fam. This is all for the free 99, right? So if you guys want me to support and help you guys got to support and help me. Go follow my wife's channel and go follow my new channel, Lavar Reviews, Almost Vegan Lavar, and I Am Miss Mina. Go follow those channels and then go submit me a question on the question channel. Okay, guys? You see, she don't wait. I told you. So you guys want me to help you, help me. Boom! What's up, family? You already know that your bro's here. What's going on, guys? So, yeah, we got products right here. We got a one single product right here that's gonna make me $77 in profit on one product. Okay, guys? We got some products over here that I still gotta send in. We gotta go back because I sold a few of these and they did very well. And guess what? They have a whole shelf of these at Walmart on a crazy sale because they're just trying to get rid of them. And I'm making 100% ROI on each one of those boxes of food, doggy little treats. And it's a specific kind. Now, guys, all of that is cool, right? That's the retail arbitrage ground. We already know that's the hustle. You just got to keep that fire burning. But in this video, guys, I want to change things up a little bit. I'm going to talk about another method and many more methods of making money online, guys. Okay, the number one, and because my sister called me and said, man, you should tell everybody about the other ways too. So I'm like, you know what? You're right, because she subscribed to my channel. She loves when I post the stuff. But I shared things with her that I haven't shared with you guys. I mean, just because this channel has been ran, the battery that's been ran on like Amazon and retail arbitrage mainly. And still soon, guys, I got the private label videos coming. I have the different videos and courses coming for the private elite family when that group is made. That's all I'm gonna say about that. But in the meantime, guys, also really quick, really quick. So I have a bunch of different channels, which is this is what I'm saying about this right now. What I'm saying about these other channels is kind of gonna connect to what I'm about to tell you guys. Now, one of my channels being like my fitness life, and it's more so about me working out and eating and what I eat and do when I lift, or my free time. So I have that channel, and that channel is the name changed. I'll put the link in the description. If you guys are my family and my blood, go follow that channel too. But that channel is more so just, if you like to lift, if you want to see how we getting these guns. I went up pounds, I went up strength as well anyway, so that's cool. But the name of that channel is Almost Vegan Lavar. That's easy. Okay, Almost Vegan Lavar. So go subscribe to that channel. Also, there's two more channels, one not even being mine, right? Okay, so one of the channels is actually my wife's channel. She created a channel. I encouraged her to create a channel. She said she was gonna do it, and she finally did it, and I'm proud of her. So, and she bought a way better camera than I have, actually. So she has the Canon, so I might use hers a couple times. But yeah, her channel is based off of like just motherhood, and first time mommy, and the things she's buying for the baby, and just day in the life with the baby. So that's awesome. She's actually right here right now. Say hi, Illy. And yeah, so she kind of inspired me to do the same thing, but on a daddy version. So my other channel is Lavar Reviews. Okay, guys. So it's just basically like just all the baby products that me and her kind of thought were the best, and yeah. So we created a channel around it. So I'm just like playing with my baby, my daughter, and just showing different things that we use for the baby. So it's pretty cool. Both of those, all three of those channels, guys. So if you're into any of that stuff, right? If you're mommy or daddy, go. I'm telling you, go check those channels out because it's gonna get crazy. It's gonna be awesome. Especially the Var Reviews and the I Am Miss Mina. That's my wife's channel. I'll post a link below to all of my new channels. There's only really three: the workout ones, the daddyhood, and the mommyhood. Okay, guys, all below the video. If you guys are my family, you will go subscribe to those and support those and get those some views. They're very new, so thanks and love for that one. Okay, now that brings me to the point of what I was getting to. Okay, in 2019, with the end of 2018, Q4 is pretty much officially here. So yeah, sales for retail arbitrage and private label and everything else are about to ramp like 4, 5, 10x. So if you're not a part of the crew, get on that now. Okay, and not only that, if you are not affiliate marketing, in this era right now, then you are behind. You do not need a penny. For instance, I was talking to my sister, like I said, and I told her about affiliate marketing. She's in Boston right now, and I was telling her about affiliate marketing. I was telling her about my affiliate commissions, because I make money many different ways. YouTube being a source, but like a penny. Like YouTube is not big at all in income. Everyone knows that now, unless you're like getting millions of views, like you're a celebrity or something, which is possible from scratch, which is very possible. But the affiliate commissions, you can be making you could be making just as much as somebody who has millions of subscribers, and you only have a couple thousand with your affiliate commissions, guys. So it's for free, guys. It's for free. I mean, so like, I'm just gonna keep it 100 with you guys if you don't know already. Like, so for example, when somebody tells you to buy something via YouTube, they're most likely, if it's not their own product, they get an affiliate commission for that. But that is free. It doesn't mean that it's not real. It just means that, okay, I'm showing people what I do or what I use or what I like and what works for me, and awesomely, that's not a word, but awesomely enough, I'm able to share that information with my viewers, and if they get the same thing or if they like the same thing, then that company will give me affiliate commission. Now that is genius, guys, because that opens so many doors. Now, and that's free. You do not have to pay for this. So I do not have to pay $1 to promote this GoPro I'm using right now, right? This GoPro, everybody wants to know what camera I use. I got a couple questions about that. Well, this is a GoPro. The GoPro I'm using, I forget what version it is, but I will post a link below. And for whoever goes to get this GoPro, I will get a small affiliate commission for that. I mean, and that's awesome, right? And you can do the same thing, right? So, and I will post a link below to what camera I use. Okay, guys? So, that being said, I think everyone in my family, I think every one of you guys should start affiliate marketing or affiliate something with affiliate, because it's free, okay? Now, you can advertise on Facebook for free. You can advertise on YouTube for free. A little bit of the paid stuff is like you can create a website pretty much for free and then advertise that website, for free on YouTube and for free on Facebook, or paid advertising on Facebook in paid advertising on Google, Instagram, YouTube, whatever, right? To reach mass amounts of people. But you don't need to. I did a paid ad for for football gloves, right? Just to see how it worked, because it was a learning experience. I told you I took many courses on all different types of ways to make money online, which is how I know how to do a lot of these things. So just to get my fingers wet with advertising and paid ads, I did a paid ad on Facebook for football gloves, which did fairly okay. After that came the split testing, but I'm not going to get into all of that paid ad stuff. I haven't needed to do it lately. This is why when you're on Facebook, you see a lot of sponsors, right? Sponsor. Go to Google, type anything on Google, say anything. Say type in massage therapy, right? And then you're gonna see ad. I mean, all of that stuff is either the company or more so it's someone advertising for that company, and they're getting affiliate commissions to do it. All right, guys. So I mean, I don't want to make this video a ramble, but what I think is, and I'm just keeping it with my family, because it's not all just about retail arbitrage. You gotta, when you make that money, you gotta understand what to do with it, and this is another avenue, and this is actually a free avenue. So everyone should be affiliate marketing in 2019. If you are not, you are going to be behind. Trust me. The biggest companies in the world, billion dollar companies, are affiliate marketing. Go to Google and type in cheap flights. All of those websites that pop up, those are affiliate websites. They're just doing ads for the airlines, and they're getting paid affiliate commissions, and these are like millions and billions of dollars being made. So some of my mentors, they don't even do Amazon, they don't do Shopify, they don't do anything but affiliate commission and affiliate marketing. And I know several people that make $5,000 a day minimum, just every single day, passively off affiliate marketing. All right, guys. So I mean, like I said, I want this channel to be more than just retail arbitrage, because it's not just about that. That's a good way to get your feet wet, get your hands wet. But there's so much. This ocean is huge. This universe of online money making is gigantic, guys. So yeah, everyone should be getting involved in affiliate marketing. And now, after all that rambling, I'm going to tell you guys the best way to start affiliate marketing. And this is free, completely free. Okay, guys, and this is what you want to do. You want to join the biggest affiliate network, and that is Amazon. And all you do is you go to Google and you type in Amazon affiliates. Okay, guys? And then from there, it'll pop up. It should be the first one or the second one, but you would know it says Amazon affiliates, sign in or create an account. You click the link, you open it up, and then from there, guys, all you do is create an account. Create an account. It will ask you how you want to be paid, right? And if you do via bank transfer, via like if you do like a wire transfer to your bank account, every $10 you make, they'll wire your money. If you do like a check, which is what I do, every $100 they'll send you a check in the mail. And this is Amazon's affiliate. From there, after you create an account, it's go time. Either start a YouTube channel, which a lot of people are very finicky to get behind the camera, but I recommend everyone start a YouTube channel anyway, because it's a good way to build your personal brand. You don't even have to show your face. Like, tell people the things you do in life. Like, everybody wants to see people will love you for who you are, someone around this world. Don't be afraid to share on YouTube and start a channel. Okay, guys? Okay, so after you create an account, after you create an Amazon affiliate account, there's many more. It's not just Amazon. You can create a Best Buy affiliate marketing. Walmart, I believe has one. Yeah, Walmart does have one. Home Depot, when I say everything, guys, every big name, guarantee you go to their website, you go to the bottom, you'll see affiliate programs, and you can create one for any one of these. And the best way to advertise these are on YouTube, on Facebook, or create a small website, a specific genre. So if that's baby, if that's massage therapy, sports, cooking, chef, you know what I mean? Just the books you read, peace in mind, meditation. It doesn't matter. Anything you want. Anything. Wherever you work right now, and if you became an expert, like if you build pools, I would be like an affiliate marketer of like pool supplies, like, because I know so much about building pools or cleaning pools already. You know what I mean? So cars. If you love cars, you can affiliate market car parts and just, you get the drift, guys. So it's endless, and this is for free. You don't have to pay $1 to affiliate this, and you can make money doing it. All right, guys. So, Moomoo's getting you getting upset. You getting upset, Nana. So that was just a quick curveball for my family. Retail arbitrage never dies. That's just a quick hustle. Just keep that fire burning. Like I said, I got the groups coming. Also, for any of you guys who have questions, right? I'm gonna do this real quick. I'm gonna say this real quick, and I might actually cut this and put it at the beginning of the video as well, because I just rambled so much. For those of you who stayed the whole video, you must really love me. Y'all my family. Nah, I'm just playing. So for any of you guys who have questions, from now on, and I'm trying to get to everyone's questions. It's just that they're coming from everywhere. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere, like emails. So I'm going to direct all the questions to one spot, and that spot will be below the video. I will say, if you have questions, write them here, and it's going to be in my Facebook page, but it's going to be a different page. One you may already have. So I want everyone to direct their questions there. Okay, no, I'm coming. I want everyone to direct their questions there, and yeah, I will get to them. I will try to get to all of them. All right, guys. So just take your time and just be patient with me, because I have so many questions coming in. And if you want me to answer your questions, right, you guys gotta understand, I'm doing all this stuff for free for the fam. This is all for the free 99, right? So if you guys want me to support and help you guys got to support and help me. Go follow my wife's channel, and go follow my new channel, Lavar Reviews, Almost Vegan Lavar, and I Am Miss Mina. Go follow those channels, and then go submit me a question on the question channel. Okay, guys? I gotta go, because you see, she don't wait. I told you. So you guys want me to help you, help me. We out, guys. Peace and love, fam. Wait a minute. If you were family, you're subscribed. If you blood family, you subscribed, you hit the bell, and you followed all the channels down below. Let's go.